Hello and welcome. In today's video, we are going to go through the installation and setup process of DirectIQ Action Automation for workflows. Let's get started. Once in your account, scroll down on your sidebar and click on App Marketplace. Next, use the search bar to search for the application you'd like to install and click on it. From there, click Install and allow an install. Refresh your page. Scroll down on the sidebar and click on the custom page of the application you just installed. On this interface, we have a series of tabs. The first tab is the documentation tab, which contains information about the application. The next tab is the tutorials tab, which contains smart cues and videos that will help you get the necessary credentials when trying to set up the application. The next tab is the setup tab, and this is where we set up our application. To set up the application, start by clicking on Start Setup. Next, you head to your DirectIQ account online. Hover on Integrations and click on API. In API, copy the API key, head back to your account and paste it where required. Next, you copy your client secret, head back to your account and you paste it where required. Then you click on Complete Setup. And as you can see, the application has been set up successfully. The next tab is the support tab, and here you can create tickets and book calls with our support team in case you have any issues. And finally is the changelog tab. It keeps you updated on any changes that have been made in the application. And you can also receive notifications each time a change is made in the application by toggling this on, filling in your email address and clicking on subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to share and subscribe for more content. See you in the next video.